Did you know the global Moringa market is set to grow from $1.2 billion in 2023 to $5 billion by 2033? This booming industry could be your ticket to massive profits. How to set up manufacturing business of Moringa leaf powder. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about why and how you should start a Moringa leaf powder manufacturing business. We will talk on overview of Moringa powder, market demand and opportunity, key market drivers, equipment and machinery, considerations for plant site, method of manufacturing, opportunities for new startups, potential revenue opportunities, challenges and considerations, how NPCS can help you. Moringa is often called the miracle tree. It is famous for being extremely nutritious, being packed with nutrients in the form of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and more. As a superfood, Moringa leaf powder has attracted the attention of health-conscious consumers globally, creating an interesting commercial opportunity for entrepreneurial-minded individuals. In this video, we'll explore why Moringa leaf powder could be an interesting business, what machineries and equipment you need, the market demand, as well as how we at Neer Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, can assist you. Overview. Moringa oleifera. Moringa is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree that is native to parts of Africa, the Mediterranean, and Asia. It has many benefits for health. The leaves are most desirable because they contain such high nutritional qualities. The leaves can be harvested and processed into a fine powder that can be used for dietary supplements, functional food, cosmetics, and many other applications. The processing of fresh Moringa leaves into powder is a multi-stage process that requires the necessary machinery to create a high-quality product that satisfies the market standards. This process is made up of cleaning, drying, grinding, and packaging-oriented activities, all of which require both machinery and human expertise. Market demand and opportunity. The global demand of Moringa products, including leaf powder, is on the rise. According to the market research, the Moringa extract market is forecasted to grow from $1,243.6 million in year 2023 to $4,986.4 million in year 2033, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 14.9%. This growth trend is due in large part to how consumers are addressing health and wellness concerns as well as the general nutritional value of Moringa. The demand is especially pronounced in the dietary supplement sector, where Moringa powder is used for its immune-boosting ability, its anti-inflammatory effect, and its potential to help improve overall health. Key market drivers. Health and wellness trends. Consumers have shifted towards demand for natural and organic products to help support health, making Moringa a much-coveted product. Versatile. Moringa powder can be used in a range of applications: drink mixes, smoothies, teas, cooking or baking to skincare products, increasing its appeal in the market. Sustainability. Moringa trees are considered to be environmentally friendly, demanding minimal resources to grow, particularly when compared to many other plants and trees attuned to the growing consumer segment seeking sustainable products. Considerations for plant site. You must carefully weigh your options when deciding where to locate your manufacturing site. Depending on your business model, proximity to local farmers with Moringa farms is essential to help reduce transportation costs and to establish possibly long-term contracts. You should also determine availability to utilities such as water and electricity and look for an easy access to transportation connectivity. The right location will create a sustainable process of operations. Method of manufacturing. The method of manufacturing Moringa leaf powder includes several key components that involve several specialized types of equipment. Moringa leaf washer cleans dirt, dust, or any other impurities from the leaf to be certain it's hygienic. Moringa leaf cutter cuts the leaves into uniform size sections for drying. Moringa leaf dryer critical to preserve the nutrient value of the leaves, and will include a feeding system that transports the leaves through a multi-layer conveyor range system and use multi-layer belt dryers with electrical or gas-heated sources of heat to dry in an even manner. Moringa leaf grinder breaks dried leaves to a fine powder. You should have a grinder with adjustability of fineness to meet different product expectations. Moringa leaf packaging the powder will need to be developed into bags that have measurement consistency and ensure airtight packaging. Opportunities for new startups. Starting a Moringa leaf powder business has several advantages. The following is an example. Growing market demand for Moringa products is expanding with the increase in health consciousness, a trend that will continue, providing a foundation for new businesses. Flexibility, you could decide to start out small and grow as demand and the business allow. Versatility, Moringa powder can be utilized in many industries such as food, cosmetics, or pharmaceuticals, generating possible income sources for your business. Potential revenue opportunities. Health supplements. Moringa powder is a well-known ingredient in the dietary supplements and provides a high-margin category of products. Food and beverage. There is opportunity to incorporate Moringa into food products such as energy bars and health teas aimed at healthy consumers. Cosmetics. The antioxidant properties of Moringa provide a popular ingredient in skincare and beauty products. Challenges and considerations. Quality control. Maintaining high quality to ensure hygienic standards is important to maintain customer loyalty and meet the guidelines outlined under regulatory controls. Market competition. It will be important to differentiate your products using quality, branding, and marketing to distinguish yourself in the market. Compliance with regulators. Regulatory compliance within the food sector and for exporting food products can be very complex if not carefully controlled, providing additional exposure to risk. How NPCS can help you? At NPCS, we provide a complete starting package for entrepreneurs interested in creating their own Moringa leaf powder company. We can help you with providing market survey and feasibility report. We prepare detailed techno-economic feasibility reports that cover manufacturing processes, market research, flow sheet diagrams, product mix, machinery details, raw material sourcing, and project financials. Project consultancy. Our team of experts offers guidance on project planning, execution, and management to ensure successful business setup. Customized solutions. We tailor our reports and services to meet your specific project requirements, providing personalized support to help you achieve your business goals. Partnering with NPCS will give you the expert advice and resources you need to make your business vision a reality. No matter your prior expertise as a business owner or the first time into the field, our consultancy services are meant to enhance your journey to success. We are committed to helping you achieve your business goals and realize the potential for Moringa leaf powder. Thank you for watching, and if you want to know more, you can reach out to us.